Karina with Inspired Health Energy Medicine again. Here we are once more in Greece at the beach. I wanted to capture this beautiful moment, this quiet space, and give you a place where you can go within. A place where you can just simply be, just listen to the sound of the waves, sound of the seagulls, and watch this beautiful scenery, allowing that calmness to enter into your soul. So take a moment and take just a deep breath with me, filling your lungs with precious oxygen. Take as much time as you need. And I'm going to let this loop through and let you enjoy it. From the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. Blessings to all.